Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain how to fix firewall settings on Google Meet runs smoothly without blocking your calls. Sometimes your network firewall or antivirus blocks Google Meet, which can cause issues with joining meetings using your mic or video not working properly. If you are using on Windows, go to the Start menu and type the Windows Security and go to the Firewall and Network Protection and allow an app through firewall. Then make sure your browser like Google Chrome is checked for both private and public network. Then on Mac, go to the system settings, go to the network and go to the firewall option. There ensure Chrome or your browser is allowed to connect. If you are on a school or office network, you may need your IT admin to check the Google Meet's domains like meet.google.com and related Google services. Finally, restart your browser and again try joining the meeting. Your firewall should no longer block Google Meet. And that's how you fix firewall setting for Google Meet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.